Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a post on the intranet. Let's get started by opening a web browser. If you are logged on in the office or working within Horizon, you can simply click on the home icon located in your browser, and this will take you to the intranet homepage. Although your browser should automatically open at the intranet homepage, if you are not using Horizon, logged in at Fairfax House, or within one of our many schemes, you can access it from the following web address, which is https://vart.sharepoint.com/sites/hive talking. From there, locate the link called Departments. Simply hovering your mouse over the link will bring up a menu of FairHive departments. Choose your relevant department. In this example, I will choose the IT department. On entering your departmental page, scroll down about a third until you see the section called Department News and Announcements. Click Add and select New Post. Within the News Template section, select Basic Text. You will notice on the right-hand side basic information upon how to create a post. Proceed and click Create Post. You will now be taken to the outline of your post. Let's first take a look at the areas that will identify your post when shown on the intranet homepage. The first area to complete is the title section. This will be visible on the intranet homepage and your main identifier to the purpose of your article. You can simply click into the area, Add Title, and type the title of your article. The next piece of information you add is your name. Add this to the space allocated. It will start auto-populating as you type. The title, banner, and name are important parts of how your post will look when posted. You will notice in the top left-hand corner a drop-down. That, when clicked, will offer a range of options upon the title and banner that will be displayed. It will also give you the opportunity to add an image. You will have two sets of controls to edit the title banner area. The pen icon allows you to make more nuanced changes to how the text is displayed and how it's aligned. Clicking the drop-down to the right of the pen icon gives you the following options. The first of which is plain. As you would think, this offers a plain background to your banner. The next is color block. This offers a block of color behind the title text. You also have the option overlay, which displays your text with a background intersected at the bottom of the banner. The option we're going to choose for this example is image and title, which is the text title in front of a banner image. Next, we are going to add an image for our banner. To do this, simply click on the image logo in the top left-hand corner. This will open a File Explorer box for us to search for the image we'd like to use. Once you have found the image you want to use, simply select it and click Open. It will then appear in the Upload section and we will click Add Image. You will notice that you have the opportunity to change how the image sits within the banner by using the circular icon in the middle. Once you're happy, simply click off and it will leave it in that position. So by default, you are given two sections of two columns that have some writing in already. For this example, we are going to delete both sections and re-add them with the desired number of columns. To delete a section, simply click on the section and from the controls on the left-hand side that appear, select Delete. We will do this in both sections by simply clicking on the section and clicking Delete. Now to add a new section. We can do this by clicking on the plus key that appears whilst hovering under the section above and selecting text. In this space, we're going to write what this article is about to give a brief understanding upon its use. For this post, we're going to have one text box at the top with a title and then a text below describing what this post will be about. We will create a section below divided by 2 columns that I'm going to have the 2 videos I wish to post, with a small piece of text describing what each video is about. And then we're going to add a second section by clicking the plus key. We could do this from the left-hand side if we wanted to add multiple columns to this section in this manner. As you can see, I selected 2 columns. We can now add the text box from this column and then embed a video. So let's add some text upon what the video is about, and then we're going to simply click on the plus key below the text and select from the menu that appears and select embed. You'll notice on the right hand side is a section to paste our embedded text. Regards the videos you want to upload, you will previously want to have uploaded the video into your Teams file area. This makes it easier to use in this situation. I've already uploaded 2 videos into our file section of the Service Desk Teams file section that I'm going to choose. This is the video that I'm going to embed. We're going to click the share and then select the embedded code. You'll notice at the bottom that it will give you a long piece of text, and we can simply click Copy Embedded Code. We will then go back into our article and simply paste this into the embedded video box here by simply right-clicking and selecting Paste. You'll notice it will take a few moments for the video to appear. Next up, we're going to add another video into this article, as there are 2 videos on how to make a video using PowerDirector. So simply select the plus key and select text. So I can add what the following video is going to be about. Remember, it's good practice to do this so people know if they really need to watch the video. Once you've added this text, hover your mouse under the section and another plus icon will appear, for which we can click and select Embed, as we're going to embed another video. As you can see, the option on the right hand side appears. We're now going to navigate to our second video, which I've saved in our Teams area. I'm going to click on this and select the share option and select embedded code. In the same manner as the first video, we're going to click Copy Embedded Code and navigate back to our article on the intranet. We're now going to paste the copied code into the box on the right hand side. In the same way as the first video, it will take a few moments and the video will appear. As you can see, resize to fit pages is on, and I recommend leaving this on. You'll notice that we have a slight discrepancy in height, so the 2 videos are not aligned. If this happens, we can add a space. We add the space in the same way that we add any other element into this page. Once added, it gives us the opportunity now to change the space between the text box and video section to make the videos parallel. You have a toggle for comments at the bottom of the page. Keep comments on, as your colleagues can talk about the video. Now, it's worth posting your article and then to check to see what it looks like on the actual intranet. Because what you might find is your spacing is slightly off, which isn't a problem, because we can change that within our space height. Let's take a look at the news and announcements section. We're going to click on our article and just see if everything looks okay. As you can see, the videos are not quite parallel, so we need to edit this article and just increase the spacer size. This will be slightly trial and error, as the finished article is difficult to judge in the editing area. So we will make the change, upload it, and we can see that it's still slightly out. We'll go back into the edit and increase the spacer size so it looks about right. So now we've created our article. We can click back on the home button and take a look at our article in all its glory. As we scroll down to news and announcements, you will notice a new post upon how to make a video using Power Director. You don't need to put videos in here. It could just be text or images, but if you've made a lovely video like this, you can embed those into the article and you'll see them in this section of the news and announcements. Thanks for watching this video today. I really appreciate you getting to the end, and actually, if you'd like to give this video a like, it does let your colleagues know that this is a resource that has been helpful. And if there are any comments you'd like to leave, please do so, as it does help the rest of the community and your colleagues understand that this video is about something that's going to help their working day positively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.